Hello friends, what are data bindings in WPF? Data binding in WPF connects your UI element to the data source like objects or database. It keeps your UI in sync with the data automatically. You can bind controls to the property, commands or collection using example. One way, two-way and one-time binding controls how data flows. Master data binding. You will always master WPF. How do you handle validation error in WPF? Validation in WPF ensures user's input is correct. You can handle validation error using validation rules, iDataErrorInfo or iNotifyDataErrorInfo. When a validation rule fails, the control shows an error like UI, like a red border or a error message. Use validation.error template to customize the appearance. Keep your form foolproof by implementing the validation effectively. What is style in WPF? In WPF, style allows you to define visual properties for controls, centralize your design. Instead of setting properties individually, you can create reusable styles in XAML and apply them throughout your app. You can use setter to apply the property values. It's a great way to making your UI consistent and maintainable. Time to style up your app. Like, share and subscribe.